is, di ba kasi, madami ka talaga matutunan eh. Pero yung pinaka makukuha mo talaga, para sa akin, yung competition, parang paangatan eh. Alam mo yun? Angatan talaga. As in, yung kaibigan mo, may gawang project. Siyempre, mas gusto mas magaling ka doon, di ba? Mas kinakausap yung akin dyan. Yung mga magaling talaga dito eh.
We work with a lot of people who are practitioners in our industry. So, being able to know how the industry works there, I can bring it there. As well as our design foundations, where we learn how to, the basics of art. And we take that with us. Wherever we do, any creative project we'll do, we can take it with us in the future.
The world is all about connections. I mean, pag wala kang connections, may hihirapan ka talaga sa work and actually everything. Tama, make friends. Yun ang maganda dito.
Sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, lagi mong gagawin yung pinaka-best. Kasi as a CSB student, gusto natin na nag-excel tayo. Sa lahat ng bagay na gagawin mo, kailangan mo gawin yung best. And if ever man, along the way, nagkakamali ka, wag mo siya i-treat na masama na experience. Treat it as a learning experience instead.
There's really a lot of work to be done every week. So I also learn the value of punctuality because when I work, I'm sure that there will be really loads of work. So we are trained here to do so many projects in a given time. So as a student, we follow the rules and maybe I learned how to cram, but it's always in a good way.
Maging original and creative sa mga ginagawa ko at hindi ko ginagaya sa ibang tao ang mga ginagawa nila. For sure, being original.
Siyempre, yung mga natutunan ko sa film ko. Kasi I want to pursue my dreams as a filmmaker. Sabi ko nagiging dito, mga tropa na hindi ko makakalimutan mga experience. Like this guy, PJ. I will not forget this motherfucker. Guys, that's all I'm saying, man.
Natutunan ko sa CSB yung importante ng deadline. Madadala mo yun sa trabaho kasi mga kliyente mo, web designer ka. Naging freelance na kasi ko. So, deadline sa kanila, sobrang importante kasi pwede kang mawala ng trabaho dahil lang sa pagiging late mo sa isang project. So, yun yung pinaka-importante natutunan ko sa CSB.
Marami na ako natutunan. Unang-una, kasi sa mga subjects pa lang, sabihin natin yung program, yung author, yung film, vid-prod, yung audio, so music. Ang dami na nun. Halimbawa, madadala, personally, yung pinaka-importante sa akin, yung pagkakaibigan, tsaka yung experience sa mga teachers. Tsaka yung experience mismo dito. Kasi nga SDA, diba? School of Arts and Design. Lahat ng mga na-experience natin dito, magagamit natin pag may job na tayo or pag may opportunity na tayo. Ang advantage natin doon, art school siya. So lahat na natutunan natin, at isa't isa, hindi lang sa course ng MMA, pinaka-importante sa akin, video. Ayun, marami na akong natutunan. Ngayon pa lang, ang dami ko nang ginagawa.
I found the community here is really nice because it came from every different level of society. You know, there's like the lowest, the simple life through the riches. And yes, for me, I like to make new friends and have a lot of experience with them. Especially that dude. This guy, he taught me a lot also about Filipino and especially Dabawan durian. It improves me in every certain way. Should I live my life and stuff? I like SDA.
Our course is a really tough course, but like the people we meet here in college, usually people we meet for life now. So I think the experience here is really good. I come from a different college as well, and I will take those friends with me. So though the course may be hard, the people we meet are really good.